Let me ask questions.
So welcome back to Previous Questions, and today we're going to be talking about a brain-eating amoeba. So summer's coming in hot. It's like the middle of May right now. June is about to come in. People are going to pools. People are going to lakes and stuff. They're going to swim. They're going to cool off. But that's also where the brain-eating amoeba is. Well, what is a brain-eating amoeba? Well, it's a amoeba that lives in water. Now you can find the brain-eating amoeba inside of poorly sanitated pools and lakes. So, how do you contract the brain-eating amoeba? Now, it being in water, you may think that you can get it from drinking water. But you cannot contract it like that. You can only get it from water going far up your nose. Now, when water goes far up your nose, the brain-eating amoeba could be in that water. Meaning the brain-eating amoeba is now in your body. It basically, your immune system basically checks out the brain-eating amoeba, making sure it's something that's harmful or something that's just not harmful. If it's just a bacteria that was in the water and we should just kill it, blah 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 blah, and have it, it's fine. So, but it's very, very good at getting past. So, once it gets all the way up there, it will find your nerve receptors. Now, there's something that interests it, and it wants to go to those nerve receptors because the nerve receptors communicate with a certain chemical called acetylcholine. Now, acetylcholine is basically attracts the brain-eating amoebas to it. Basically, think about it like this. There's brownies. They're fresh out the oven. They smell awesome. And you want to go and eat one of those brownies. You smell it. You want to go and eat it. They smell incredibly yummy. You want to go and get one of those brownies. You get drawn towards those brownies. You want to go and eat those brownies. Think of it like that. Or think of it like outside at night. You have there may be a light on your house, and all the mosquitoes are flying all around it. That's how it is. So it gets up there, and your immune system sometimes, a keyword sometimes, would kill it, because that is in the olfactory bulb, which is the place where your brain does smell. So that's in that part of the brain. And sometimes your immune system will get it all or kill it, and boom, problem solved, amoeba's gone. But sometimes it gets past that. It starts causing mayhem. Basically, it starts ripping apart the cells inside your olfactory bulb. And now your immune system goes oh shoot, this is causing major damage. So your immune system throws everything at it and ends up causing damage to the surrounding area. Now that area is really, really, really inflamed, and your brain starts to swell. But your brain is in your skull, which your brain swelling up is not going to break your skull and let it go free. Your brain is going to compress. Your brain's going to go onto the skull, and it's not going to be able to stop. But your brain doesn't go, oh, I hit the skull, let me stop swelling. No, it just starts going more and more and more, and then that puts pressure on the brainstem. Then that causes death within a week. So I know how that was kind of crazy. How you're so happy, you're swimming in a pool or you're swimming in a freshwater lake. Like you're so happy, you're having a jolly old time. But within a week, you start getting stuff like confusion and seizures, and then eventually die. So now that you heard all this information, should you be terrified of swimming in pools or inside of a lake? No, you shouldn't. You have a very slim chance of actually being a victim of one of these very deadly amoebas. Now, there definitely has been cases, but if you want to keep on swimming in pools and lakes, if you're diving, hold your nose like this so no water goes up into your nose. Or just get nose clips like this. You can get them. They're not super expensive, so yeah, you can just get those and significantly lower your chances of being attacked by this deadly amoeba. So don't forget to like and subscribe and for Playman's questions, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Playman's questions.